So my name's Hayley, this is PWR Fitness in Balcatta. So we were wanting KINTA to come in and to have a look at our space and hopefully utilise the space a little bit better than what we previously had. So that's why we were wanting a new fit out. We've used KINTA previously for different types of equipment and we've always really loved the quality and the service that KINTA provides. So it just made sense to kind of use them for our new fit out. Everything was so easy. We made contact within that first week. We had someone out to come and look at our space. From there, we had a quote within the next 24 to 48 hours. And then we just said, yep, let's go ahead. And then we just booked the install for whenever we were ready. The whole service has been a massive standout to us. I mean, having someone to come in and look at our space and to really get us everything that we needed, give us fresh ideas of what could work well for what we want to offer with strength and conditioning, high rocks training, pre and postnatal. It just made sense with what we wanted. The equipment's great. The new rig that we've got is awesome as well because it means that we can add on new attachments or anything else that we might need in the future. So it's great for what we need and it has room for improvement going forwards for what we want to add. So with the new fit out, we'll be able to cater to more people in the classes. It'll also be a bit more functional with the space that we have and it will allow us to put in new equipment for what we want to offer. Our members love all of the equipment. I think the new rig is definitely going to be amazing for them. The neutral grip pull-up attachments is something that we will definitely be utilising. And also just like the stoppers around the edge of the matting and things like that are just little things that are really going to elevate our gym. We'll definitely be back in touch with KINTA to get some new stuff very soon. They've got great quality, great service, so definitely consider KINTA.